finished our agents. Lily's in pain right now. So they're really easy actually. But yeah, I'll film it. It's probably really loud. You can't hear me. So yeah. Alright, so we're at my house right now.
I'm a good driver, I swear!
She got a speeding ticket. Hey Sam. So we're at my house. Yeah, I have a dentist appointment, so Alyssa's gonna drop me off at my dentist, and then they're gonna wait for me, and then we're just gonna hang out later tonight. So I'm just deciding what I'm gonna wear. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm at Alyssa's house right now. The huge. They're just cleaning her car. So yeah, that's her life. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Everyone, so I'm just cleaning her car. You know, just vacuuming.
9466 or visit VerizonWireless.com/TimeWarnerKids. Limited time offer for new customers. Reward card requires proof of switch from previous provider and customers must...
We're done. Woo!
Alright, help.
Woo! 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 I love Girl Code. Twerk! Stop. Movie time.
No, I seriously love Girl Code.
Got our little bag of chips. And got our little thing of...
And our drink. Woo!
Yeah, so...
That's a beautiful house. I know. As much as I hate him. Nice house. He seems like that house is the type to get the stone driveway, which is probably like
Could be perfect.
Peace out, Hammond House. Isn't Mirror these raindrops enormous? Look at, oh my god.
they're freaking huge.
I know, they're like blong.
Like flop.
Blop.
Oh, this is it. This is it.
Which one?
This is the song.
Wait, stop. I'm waiting. Oh, this is I get carried away from you. Is that it? Oh, it's na 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 na. We stay up all night till you're knocking. Oh yeah, I know this song.
The legend of the thing.
I love it. Why does it always stop?
I found my memory card. Woo, 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 woo. Found my memory card. Now I can upload a vlog. Woot, 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 woot. Alright, so we're with Melissa right now. I'm in her car. Sammy.
Like normally
Sammy. Hi. Here's Melissa.
I can.
And we're calling Lily right now. So yeah, we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do tonight. So sleepover time.
My dad does that.
Oh my god, look how pretty the sky is.
Hi.
Stop, you just ruined it. Oh my god, the lake's right over there.
Oh my god. Look at that pond over here. Look at that. Oh my god, look at it. It's so gross. Look at me. 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 Me.
Bye, lake. Oh my god, I'm literally so tired. Yeah, so I just got back home. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm so exhausted. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. And yeah, stay tuned for watching. So yeah, bye guys.